Hey guys, I'm Joe and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to change the default settings in Photoshop so that you're using pixels instead of inches. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've got Photoshop open and I've got the selection tool selected, and if I drag out a rectangle you can see that the unit of measure is in inches. That's not what I want. I want it to be in pixels because that seems to be what I use the most. So in order to change that, I'll come up to the edit menu, I'll go down to preferences, I'll go to units and rulers, I'll open that up, and for rulers I'll change that to pixels, and for type I'll also change that to pixels, and I'll click OK. And now if I make another selection, you can see that it's changed from inches to pixels, which is what I want. So that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. Thanks.